Frenchies, those adorable little pups that look like they just came straight out of a cartoon, are facing a silent threat. But before I tell you what it is, let me quickly ask you something. Did you know that one of the most common reasons French Bulldogs are taken to emergency vets is because of breathing problems? Well, that's right. These little dogs with their squishy faces are going through a rough time breathing. And it's becoming a serious issue. That's why we're here today to talk about this problem so you can keep your French Bulldog happy, healthy, and breathing easy. So let's dive in and see what's really going on here. Hey there, pet lovers. Welcome back to our channel where we're all about keeping your pets happy and healthy. If you love your French Bulldog, then you've come to the right place. We'll talk about everything from how to spot the early signs of breathing trouble in your furry friend to the things you can do to make their lives easier and happier. By the end of this video, you'll be a pro at looking after your Frenchie's needs and making sure they live a long, happy life by your side. So sit back, relax, and get ready to learn how to be the best French Bulldog parent ever. So what exactly is happening to these Frenchies? Well, it all boils down to their adorable faces. You see, French Bulldogs are part of a group of dogs called brachycephalic breeds, which means they have short, flat faces. Now, while this might make them look like little teddy bears, it causes some serious breathing problems. Their airways are narrow, and when they try to breathe in, they make this funny noise that we all love. But it's not just that. These poor pups can't cool themselves very well, so they pant a lot. And if it gets too hot outside, they can overheat very quickly. This isn't just a minor inconvenience. It can be a life-threatening emergency. It's not just about their nostrils. Their soft palate, which is the roof of their mouth, is also too long for their skull. This causes them to choke when they eat and drink. As you can imagine, it's not comfortable for them at all. Some French Bulldogs also have cherry eye, which is when the third eyelid pops out. This happens because their eyes stick out more than other dogs. And you guessed it, it hurts and it can make them go blind if it's left untreated. Now that we know what's going on, let's talk about how to spot the warning signs that your French Bulldog is struggling to breathe. After all, knowledge is power, and the earlier you spot the signs, the faster you can take action to help your furry friend. If your Frenchie snores loudly, even when they're awake, it could mean they're not breathing properly. This is especially true if the snoring is accompanied by other symptoms like noisy breathing or gasping for air. No. 2. Labored breathing. Another sign that your French Bulldog might be having trouble breathing is if you notice that they're breathing rapidly or with difficulty. They might also make strange noises when they breathe, like a snorting or wheezing sound. These symptoms can be a sign that their airways are blocked or narrowed, and that they're reworking. Extra hard to get enough air? No. 3. Coughing or gagging. If your French Bulldog frequently coughs or gags, it could be a sign that they're choking on their own saliva or vomit. This is especially common in French Bulldogs who have a narrow airway and an elongated soft palate. The coughing or gagging may be more pronounced after exercise, or when the dog is excited. Number 4. Exercise intolerance. French Bulldogs are known for being less active than other dog breeds, and for good reason. Their breathing issues make it difficult for them to keep up during exercise or playtime. If you notice that your Frenchie tires out easily or has difficulty keeping up with other dogs, it could be a sign that they're struggling to breathe and get enough oxygen during physical activity. No. 5. Overheating. Because of their flat faces, French Bulldogs have a harder time regulating their body temperature. If you notice that your dog is panting heavily or seems uncomfortable in warm weather, it could be a sign that they're overheating. In extreme cases, this can be a medical emergency, so it's important to take action quickly to cool your Frenchie down and prevent heat stroke. And no. 6. Collapsing or fainting. While playing or exercising, if your French Bulldog suddenly collapses or faints, it's essential to act quickly. This could be a sign of a severe breathing problem or other medical emergency. Be prepared to provide first aid and get your pup to the vet as fast as possible. If you suspect your Frenchie is having breathing trouble, it's crucial to contact your vet promptly. Early diagnosis and treatment can make a big difference in managing your dog's condition and improving their quality of life. Your vet will examine your Frenchie, ask about their symptoms, and may perform tests to determine the underlying cause of the breathing issues. Treatment options will depend on the specific diagnosis, but may include medication, surgery, or lifestyle changes such as weight loss or avoiding strenuous activity in hot weather. Remember, your vet is your best resource for information and guidance on how to keep your Frenchie happy and healthy. Do not hesitate to reach out to them if you have any concerns about your dog's breathing or overall well. Brachycephalic obstructive airway syndrome, or BOAS, is a condition that affects many French Bulldogs, causing them to have difficulty breathing. However, not all dogs with BOAS need surgery, and many can live happy, comfortable lives with proper management of their condition. Here are some things you can do to help your French Bulldog breathe better. Keep them cool. During hot weather, it's important to keep your French Bulldog cool and comfortable, especially during hot days or during exercise. Avoid strenuous activity during the hottest parts of the day, and provide plenty of shade and fresh water to prevent overheating. Consider using a cooling vest or bandana to help regulate their body temperature. Watch their weight. Obesity can worsen breathing problems in French Bulldogs. Help your Frenchie maintain a healthy weight with regular exercise and a balanced diet. Work with your vet to develop a weight loss plan if needed. Use a harness instead of a collar. A harness can help reduce pressure on your French Bulldog's throat and make it easier for them to breathe, especially during exercise. Avoid using a collar, especially one that is too tight, as it can exacerbate their breathing difficulties. Visit your vet regularly. Schedule regular checkups with your vet to monitor your French Bulldog's breathing and overall health. Your vet can assess their condition and recommend appropriate treatments or lifestyle changes to help improve their breathing. They may also recommend surgery if the dog's breathing is severely impacted. Be prepared for emergencies. In case of a breathing emergency, know the signs to look out for, such as extreme distress, blue gums, or collapse. Have your vet's contact information readily available and know the nearest emergency vet clinic. In case of an emergency, act fast and get your dog to the vet as soon as possible. Consider laser treatment. Low-level laser therapy has been shown to reduce inflammation and pain in dogs with BOAS. This treatment may help improve your French Bulldog's breathing and overall comfort. Talk to your vet about whether laser therapy might be a good option for your dog. French Bulldogs are amazing dogs, full of energy and personality. They're affectionate, playful, and make great companions. But, like all dogs, they can face health challenges. Understanding the common problems that affect French Bulldogs can help us provide the best care for these furry friends. From breathing issues to skin allergies, hip dysplasia, and obesity, each concern is important. It's also essential to consider the unique needs of French Bulldogs due to their brachycephalic features. Their flat faces and short snouts can lead to specific issues like breathing problems and eye conditions. By being proactive, informed, and loving owners, we can help our French Bulldogs live happy, healthy lives, filled with joy and adventure. So if you're ready to welcome a French Bulldog into your home, be prepared for lots of love, laughter, and unforgettable moments. With proper care and attention, your Frenchie will be a loyal, playful companion for years to come. Thank you for joining us on this journey of learning and discovery. If you've enjoyed this video, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and share it with other French Bulldog lovers. And if you haven't already, please subscribe and hit the notification bell to stay updated on all our latest videos. We'd love to hear your thoughts and experiences. So, drop a comment below and let's continue the conversation. Until next time, happy training, stay curious, and keep bonding with your furry companions. Happy training, stay curious, and keep bonding with your furry companions.